Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's learn together. Okay, in this video I'll be explaining more standard forms. In the previous video I've explained two standard forms. Please do check that video also. Okay, we'll start with the third standard form. Suppose if f of t is t square, then what is the Laplace transform of f of t? That is Laplace transform of t square. First, Laplace transform, or just write the formula. You have to remember this formula, okay? That is integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t. F of t is t square. Now, what you have to do? You can simply apply integral uv, but I think that will become a bit complex. So, I'll just tell some steps. I have also explained in the previous video, right? So, what are the steps? Step 1 is select the term whose differentiation steps becomes constant easily. So select the first term whose differentiation steps will become constant. The t square differentiation will become constant easily when compared with e power minus st. So this is the first term, this is the second term, okay? So coming to the step 2, what do you have to do? First write the first term simply. Next, you have to integrate the second term, that is integral of e power minus st dt, which is e power minus st by minus s, right? So, integrate the second term e power minus st by minus s. Now, what is the third step? Write alternative signs. Here it is plus, so you have to write minus. What is the fourth step? Again derivate the updated value of first term. So first term is t square. Updated value of first term is here. That is t square. You have to derivate. Derivation of t square is 2t. And you have to do the integration of updated value of second term. This is the second term. And the updated value of second term is e power minus st by minus s. So integral of e power minus st by minus s. S is obviously constant. So you can simply write 1 by minus s. So you have to apply derivation for integral e power minus st. Integral e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. Right? So till where we have to stop? Until the first term becomes constant. Again you have to repeat the steps. Now here it is minus, write the alternative sign, right? So which is plus. If here it is plus, you have to write minus here. Now what you have to do? You have to derivate this first term. So derivation of 2t. Derivation of 2t is 2. And you have to integrate the second term value, right? Updated value of second term. So integral of 1 by s is 1 by s square into integral of e power minus st, because s is constant, you are integrating with respect to t. So 1 by s square into integral of e power minus t is st is e power minus st by s again. So for this whole thing you have to apply the limits, okay? Simply we'll just write in the form of t square into e power minus st by minus s minus 2t into e power minus st by s square plus, I'm sorry, here it is minus s, right? Okay, so minus 2 into e power minus st by s square into s, which is s cube, and apply the whole limits. So in place of t you have to substitute infinity. First we will do with upper limit infinity. So e power minus infinity is, you remember, right? E power minus infinity is 0. E power minus infinity is 0 and e power infinity is infinity. So obviously if you substitute infinity square into e power minus infinity is 0. So this term will become 0 minus 2 into infinity into again e power minus infinity again 0, and minus again 2 power e power minus infinity again 0. So upper limit is completely 0, and coming to the lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So lower limit is 0, substitute here in place of t 0, this whole term becomes 0, minus 2 into t, again it becomes 0, minus 2 by s cube into e power minus s into 0. So this term is 0, right? 0 minus 2 by s cube into e power minus 0 is 1. So 0 minus of minus 2 by s cube, which is 2 by s cube. Okay. So you can write Laplace transform of t square as 2 by s cube, or you can write it as 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. If you remember, the Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square, which is 1 factorial by s power 1 plus 1. Okay. Or simply, we can prove that Laplace transform of t power n as n factorial by s power n plus 1. Okay. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.